Hi everybody, welcome back to another reading, and this is a reading for 17th December to 31st December. I've got a lot of card decks here that I've kept here. I'm going to use the Romance Angel cards. I'm also going to give you some love messages which are inside this pouch, and I'm going to use a lot of decks. I've also got the Ascended Masters deck. For people who are new to my channel, I am Tam Predicts. My name is Tamanna, and I'm a psychic tarot reader, and I channel messages. I work with spirit guides, ascended masters, and my archangels to give you messages, whatever I can channel through different mediums. I use different media. I use Scrabble, I use dice, I use tarot, I use automatic writing, and I am a gifted clairvoyant. So let's see how December is going to be for you guys. What are the messages for you guys? I'm shuffling the cards. How is December 17th to 31st be for you? Any guided messages I'll see? So there'll be a lot of money, finance, business, career, home, health messages, also love messages for you guys. And let me start with the Ascended Masters cards. What are the messages? What are the messages? Good vibes to all you guys. Good. I hope good things happen in the coming year. What messages do you need to do? Remember, this is a general reading. This card is getting folded again and again, and it's coming out. So this is focused intention. I think it's the year ending right now. If you haven't focused on your business, family, or your career, or if you've not really focused on your job or on the assignment, it says there are little time left in December. Complete your projects with a lot of focus. And I also feel people are pretty much focused. So I get two messages. There is a group that is not really focused, and there's a group that requires focus. So it's either way. And this is the time to stay focused, okay? And I don't know why I get the message that you were focused on your project, but you're almost losing control of it. So be very focused in whatever you are doing. Don't waver on that. I don't know, but I feel a lot of you'll feel it's like a time when you feel like a magician because things will happen your way. That's another message that I get, okay? And I get you're going to get a good positive outcome, okay? The outcome is going to be good only if you work hard. I think December is a time for outcome, especially 17th and 31st. You're waiting for some kind of a news, especially if your project is finishing. I get more like a project. So you were waiting for it to finish, or you need to stay focused to finish it. It should not go in Jan. That's another message that I get. It's for you to finish it in December. What are the other messages for you guys? What are the other messages? Cosmic gateway. I told you that something magical is opening for you. There's an opportunity coming for you. Let me see the time, the date that I can get for you. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. I'm going to go with 18th December. 18th December and 28th. Those are the two dates that I'm getting from the dice. I'm getting an 8, but I think it's an 18th or a 28th December. That something is going to, suddenly come up as an opportunity. Something that you've been waiting for. You didn't know, you were waiting for a job. You really liked a job. Or you wanted to do some kind of an assignment, you didn't get a chance. It's actually missing the chance. That's a bigger thing that I'm getting. It's missing a chance, and suddenly you will be given that chance. Downloads and understandings. It says truth is being revealed. Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So this is a time also to get connected to all your psychic abilities, to develop your psychic abilities, to understand there is an awakening. I think you've been feeling an awakening. The numbers that I get are 3 and 4. I don't know if you've been seeing 3 and 4, but I feel it's about time that you will see the repetitive numbers, especially 3 and 4. I'm getting a lot of purple here. I normally take purple, green, and dark blue as a color of healing. For me, purple right now is a color of healing. It's also going to heal you side by side. I don't know what it means, but as you go on in December, in the end, you started healing from something. I don't know why I say a wound. Is your wound started to heal? I hope you're fine, and you've not cut yourself or something. But that's an important message, because as time goes by, December goes by, your wounds are getting filled. Probably you did get a cut or something in your hand. Though I get more of a hand. So I think that's going to heal. The healing will take place, and you'll feel much better. I don't know why I get a cut on the arm, and I got a left arm. I get more on the left. A lot of purple color incoming. I don't know if you like this color. I'm going to say purple or mauve. Do you like this color? Something to do with this color. Are you wearing this color today? Or you just bought something which is around this color. I also feel a company logo that is around this color. It will do well. That's another message that I get a lot of woman power. If you're a woman listening to this and you're in business or a job, you get a lot of power in your hands. But use it well and stay focused. That's another message that I get. Archangel Michael is here, so that's a lovely reading. So trust the heavens, truth will be revealed. Like I said, indigo, indigo. I always say dark blue color is the color of Archangel Michael, and I don't know why I want to say this, but the universe has your back right now. If things weren't going, even in mid of December, I want to say 13, 14, 15, even those days, if they weren't good and you almost gave up, things are going to be back on track and things are going to be okay, because I really feel universe has your back. And in these coming days, truth is going to be very important. A decision based on truth will be important. There has to be truth in the situation. There has to be honesty in the situation, because I get honesty from these two cards. This I get more like a magical getaway. This I say it's focused intention, not losing your um, uh, not losing your attention from something. Okay, and if you're manifesting something, I feel you're not really focusing on it right now. You're doing too many things, you're manifesting a lot. I think you're manifesting three four things together. So that's another message that I get do not manifest three four things together. You manifesting too hard, just one thing at a time. In fact, in December, I would want you to just manifest only one thing. So maybe that's why your focus is going pretty haywire. It's going everywhere. So I want you to focus on your intention and attend to work properly. Okay, remember that. I don't know why, but I get the message that you've been bunking work. It's almost like delaying it or procrastination. In some way that you've not been completing it. But December is a time to complete all your work. Also get the message, manage all your resources well. If you have your resources, your manpower, your money, whatever it means, just manage it well right now, because it will have an impact in Jan. That's another message. Rainbow, beautiful blessings coming your way. Okay, it's lovely there. I want to say keep your hope. With this card, I want to say don't give up on something. It's a very important message in these coming days. Do not give up on something, because I feel your goal is very near. So if you've been doing something and you were giving up, you were not really happy, and this goal or whatever seemed too far away, I want you to understand that it can be managed, and you will get it. Sorry, I'll have to pick up my cards. My cards almost fell out of my hand. But this is almost being focused again. That's another message that I get. It's all going back to the same message. So it's December is very important for you. I know it's holiday time, very Christmassy feel, and New Year's is coming and good things. We are all hoping for good things. But yeah, do not forget your work. I also get do not be casual about it. That's another message that I get. There'll be a birth in the family in December. There'll be birth of a new idea. You'll be breaking away from someone and starting your own business. You will be giving up a job and starting your own business. That's another message. There's been an idea in your head, and you do not know what to do with it. It's just been sitting there, and I think you are ready to do something about it. You breaking away from someone to start something new. So I'm not going to say it's a relationship thing, but you are actually breaking away from something, because that goal did seem far away, but you're much closer to the goal and you're happier, and there is more money in it. I don't know if you want to start a new business. You've been dreaming about it. The idea has been sitting on in your head. There's also birth of a baby in December in one of the families, whoever is listening. I already feel that you have one child, probably the second child is coming in December end. Though I see Jan also, but yeah, because this is a December reading, could be December end and almost close to Jan. That's what I feel. Or you starting something new in Jan. You already making plans for it. That's another message that I get. Yes, I told you there are no new openings. There are new openings for you. If you've applied somewhere, you're gonna get a job. If you've been working somewhere not very happy, you're gonna break away from that. You're gonna break away from a partnership. You're gonna start something on your own. And if you've just started something on your own, it's going to do well. If your goal has been seen very far, or you thought you could not achieve it, you will achieve it in December. You don't have to worry about it. There is a new beginning, and there is a risk in it. Okay, The key is with you. The key is with you. There is a bit of a risk, I feel. I don't know why I get that word. It's like the unicorn is beckoning you, is calling you to start something new. Don't worry because the door is open. You know, sometimes we it's scary for us to give up a job and go to a business, or try something, you know, different. So this is a card of trying something new right now in December, and this is the time. You've got the key here. You've got to use the key. I think you've got the resources, you've got the idea. Can you see the key here? I'm going to bring it closer. You're very close to your goal. Even if it's like you want to start your business but you're not getting the resources now, I feel start putting things together in your head. That's what I feel. A pretty satisfying good time, holiday time with your soulmate. If you're with someone, I feel this is a soulmate. This is a soulmate. This is a twin flame. Feeling very comfortable with the person, feeling peaceful with the person. You both love musicals, you both love music, you both love similar kind of music. I don't know what it means to you. I also feel you'll be going on a holiday, okay? Where there are mountains and water both. I don't know why. Is it two places, or is it one place where there are mountains and water both? You're going to have a good time, both of you. Somebody is going to bring you some news. There's a news coming to a couple, for a couple. There is somebody telling you something, some kind of a news. Were you looking for a house? You wanted to change your house. You saw a lot of houses, and you were waiting to hear from someone that you've got the house. I get that message too. So this is also moving into a new house. I don't know why I want to say this. You just got married. You want to move into a new house with the person. That's another message that I get. Let's see what are the other cards saying. So let me give you a lot of messages because December is ending, and because this is a general reading, so might be that a few messages are for you, or you can apply them to your life. What are the other messages? Feeling like a king, looking, wanting to go ahead in 2021, but something is making you look behind. I don't know why. Did you make a mistake in 2020 about something? Um, not really. It's about not being sure of something if you want to take it in 2021. Sorry, to something that you did in 2020. You're not sure if it belongs in your life in 2021. That's the message that I get with this card. Also, okay, don't lose your ambition, okay? I also feel that you're going to get frustrated in these days that are coming up, you know, especially if you're a business person. I also get a lot of, I get the word curiosity. You're curious to know something, and you want to give up on the old. I don't know why. In a lot of things, in a lot of cards, I get giving up the old, new openings, new beginnings, breaking away from partnerships, starting something new but not very sure, making plans right now. Um, yes, I told you there'll be birth in the family, or there's something new that you're starting. There's a new idea that's cooking up in your head. There's something new, and you've been thinking about it from May or June this year. That's another message that I get. You've been thinking about the new idea from May and June, okay? Do you like horses? Do you have a horses picture in your house? Something to do with a horse? Do you think horses are lucky for you? Or I don't know. I get something like that. Just read a book about horses, something to do with horses. There's a new beginning, definitely. Like I said, around 18th, I got 18th, could be 19th also. There's something new coming up in December. Also, you not be very happy in your job. That's what I get. Even if you get an offer, you'll be like, okay, it doesn't matter. You know, I want to start something of my own. This is somebody waiting to start their business. You know, I could be speaking to one person. I could be picking up any energy, you know, of one person, or probably this is the energy of the whole everybody around. So, you are going to start something new. Not really happy with the offers others are making. Even if somebody else is making you an offer of a partnership, you're not very happy. I feel this is more of a water sign not being happy. Water sign will be happier in business. That's another message that I get. Even if you're an earth sign, fire sign, or what, or air sign, there is a breakaway. There is somebody breaking away. You're not really happy anymore in that job. Or it could be business. You were very happy there, but it's like you want to be alone. You don't want a cup from someone. You don't want help from someone. You don't want somebody else in that partnership or your life or that business. This is not being happy. You probably were connected to them or managing things together, but right now you're not really happy. This is walking away. I told you, this is walking away. You've had enough in that business or the job. This is making your own decision. You want to start something on your own. It's a very big message for people who want to start a business. You will be starting something, and you've not been really happy for 9 months in this whole thing, and that's why you're wanting to start something new. This is coming back to me again and again. You're no longer happy, and that's made you unhappy also. The whole partnership or whole deal, this is a deal, this is a partnership. 9 years, 9 months, you've been thinking about it, and it's not made you happy. You've been sitting up at night and wondering what to do about it. It's totally making you frustrated. Either let go of it or let go of your emotions, because you're getting frustrated in the whole thing. It's playing on your mind. Let's see what are the love messages, romance angel messages. Attraction. There's going to be attraction in December between you and a water sign. You, I meant air sign, water sign, air sign, earth sign. I also get fire and earth. I also get Sagittarians will be very attracted to their partners. Aries will not bother much about their love relationship or partnership. I don't know why I say that. Partnership in the sense in romance, not very. Um, you're not very emotional right now, Aries. Am I right? I'm picking up very too much coldness in your heart right now, Aries. Some of you will retreat. I don't know if I said Aries and then I said retreat, and it makes sense, but you are going to retreat. Somebody's you cold. You stepped back. And December is the time you're going to test your partner. I get that in the end of December. A lot of you are testing your partner around the 28th, 29th, 27th of December. You've taken a step back from their world. And I get another message that you don't fit in their world anymore. Are you thinking like that? I got a Leo when I said that. Leo totally, either you're a Leo or the other person is a Leo. The probabilities of you and the other person being together are very low in December. Especially if this is a Leo. Remember, these are general guidances, guys, and go by what you think is right in your situation, because a lot of you will be listening to this. Scorpios, be prepared for romance, okay? That's what I get. For some of you, if you were born in Jan or November, if either of you or your partner are born in any of these months, the other person will have to make a lot of effort in the relationship. That's what I get. I'm going to pick one card up for all the elements. I'm going to do air, water, fire, and earth. So let's see. Air, water, fire, and earth. Air, water, fire, and earth. Air. Air, this is your past life relationship. You two were together in your past life. And if you've been doubting it, don't doubt it. This is your soulmate. You've been together for 4 lives, more than 4 lives. I get 4. I get stability in this relationship, and I think you are coming, together again in some way, because soulmates keep getting separated and they come back again, and I feel your soulmate is coming back again if you had a little break from them. Water sign, water sign, water sign, water sign. One message for water sign. Water sign, give your relationship a chance. I think water signs are going to work on their partnership. They're going to give this relationship they are in a chance. Somebody, they were turning away from, they're going to turn towards them. This is December is going to be a very loving month for water signs. You two are totally in love. I don't know what happened. There was a little bit of separation, or the feelings weren't there. Something was there, and now you want to work on it again, and you are working on it. And December is going to be a beautiful time together. Fire signs, passion. Great, they're all couples, so December is going to be a good time, guys. Let's see what is the message for the earth signs. Couples will spend a lot of time. There'll be new couples. Couples will spend a lot of time with each other. They'll, make the relationship work. So for Earth, I got let your friends help you. So if your relationship is not well or you want to find someone new, I feel only for Earth I got, there's no couple here. I feel Earth signs could be looking for a mate, could be looking for someone. You know, it could either be for marriage or you would just be looking for a friend or a partner, and your friends are going to help you. I think you've been feeling lonely, Earth signs. Why do I get that? Being alone for a long time, feeling lonely, wanting to hook up with someone, wanting to be with someone, trying to be with someone. I get those messages. Earth signs, you're going to meet someone through your friends. Remember that. What are the other messages? Let's see for you guys. Like I told you, I'm going to do a longer reading. December is ending. What are the other messages? Yep. This is a total balance in December of a relationship. No matter it's beautiful. I would say relationship because I got a relationship. It's a great balance. The partner or your partner is and you are totally aligned. This is the time when you will be aligned. If things were not going well, if anything was not working out, you guys will understand each other very well. I'm not going to put it reversed because I just took it out reverse. So holding your heart out. Some of you are ready to love. That's another message I get. Especially if you were a 13 number, 10 number. When I say 13 number, 10 number is just your birth dates. Okay, remember that. That's how I calculate. So if you're a 13 number, born on any of the months, 4 number. I also get 9 number. I get 27 quite a lot. 27 is also 9. So you're holding your heart out. You weren't very sure of loving again. I don't know if you had a bad breakup recently, not very sure of going around with the person, not very sure if you're ready for something, but I feel you're ready for another relationship. It's almost you mend your heart. Though it was a little broken, or you've forgiven yourself. I don't know why I get this. You've forgiven yourself. More than forgiving the other person, you've forgiven yourself. This is all about love coming out. It's going to be a caring connection, guys. If there is new love, and if you're in love with someone, it's a very caring connection. If you wanted to ask me how does the person feel about me or what does he think, I think the person really cares about you. Cares comes a lot. It's also a love relationship. The person is very loving. The person always has your back, and the person is going to bring you flowers, white flowers. I get. Do you like white flowers, or did you ask your guy to get a bunch of flowers, or does he know and he's going to surprise you with flowers? It's a very beautiful, caring connection. The guy will always be with you, okay? Two are inseparable. A lot of love messages coming after the romance angel cards. Keep something in your tummy, okay? Don't reveal a secret. Don't reveal a secret, okay? Next, though this is for December, but I want to say is next 4 days, just be careful of your finances. Don't lose money somewhere. Okay, I want you to put your money together safely. I don't want the vault or the doors to be empty because it says financial constraints. So next 4 days, just be careful of finances. Just be careful of where you keep your money. Okay, don't keep your money in the jeans pocket or somewhere. It's just going to slip out, or it's just going to fall somewhere. It's about losing money. I get losing money next 4 days. So just be careful. 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Okay, even when you keep your money in the wallet, just be careful where you're keeping your money. You're going to feel very strong in December end. This is Leo. This is Leo dealing with the Aries. This is Leo dealing with Capricorn. You are the stronger one. Remember that. I don't know what is the situation here, but you're the stronger one in the relationship. Wait, was your strength being tested in some way? And you came out to be stronger in a relationship. Why are you being tested? I don't know why I get that. Let's see. I'm going to give you 2 love messages, what the guy thinks about you. Yeah, and if you wanted to know, especially in the coming days, the feelings or whatever, remember this is a general guidance. He has money problems. Okay, the guy you are going out with right now has money problems, will have money problems. Okay, so don't ask him to spend too much on you. I think you realize that he has money problems, or he's not been telling you. If he's not been talking and you're wondering what's wrong with him, he's not been talking, he's not spending much, he's not even giving me gifts. It's some kind of a money problem he's not talking to you about. He's not sure of his feelings. So these two messages, I don't know if you were asking me if it was in your head, you know, and on your mind. So he's not really sure of his feelings. If somebody is going hot and cold, in every day it's changing. You're not being able to gauge the feelings. So it's like the person himself or herself is not sure about the feelings. That's why there is confusion about this. So these were the cards, these were the readings. I'm going to take out Scrabble also. I want to give you more messages. Let's see what words I get. The highlight. Let's see. I don't know why, but I got a boy, oh boy, and I also got boy in the beginning. So if you're going to have a baby, it's going to be a boy. It's going to be a boy. That's what I feel. I also get bite your words. I don't know why, but I get bite your words. Be careful of what you say in the coming days, okay? And don't dig your own grave. That's another message. So there are a lot of different messages, so you know it. So something you're not supposed to do, please don't do it. You're digging your own grave in it, okay? Don't be too enthusiastic about it. A situation, it's almost digging your own grave. It's like offering help, but you know that you cannot really help. And then if you've offered help and you can't help, it's going to put you in a bad light. That's what I get. And I want to say you're not ugly. I don't know why you felt that, one of you. That's strange. And you're not ugly, okay? Don't worry. I don't know why that thing is, it's kind of an insecurity coming out. For one of you, there's an insecurity, and you thought that way, okay? I also got the message men are not worth it. I don't know why. One of you is feeling really insecure. That's the message that I get. I also got the message rest, please. Okay, stay focused though, but rest a bit in between. I also got art. You need to take art classes. You've been wanting to take art classes. You want to better your art. Something to do with classes, your skill, or you really found out that you're better at art. Um, I also got don't a lot of because this is a general reading, so I'll get a lot of different messages. So I also got the message sit. Don't sit too long on a situation, or don't sit on this problem for long. Okay, needs to be addressed. Something needs to be addressed. What does DG mean? I don't know. Maybe those two alphabets are important for you. I also got cut the cord. Cut the cord with someone. Cut the cord. If it's been a very difficult relationship and you almost were going to take a decision, make a decision, I want you to cut the cord. Okay. I also got go all in. Okay, it's not a situation where should I do it, not do it. It's all in. Put in everything you have. Probably I don't know what it requires. It's like give it all. Give it your best shot is another message that I get. I don't know why, but I get one of you is really scared of dingy places. That's another message that I'm picking up from here. One of you wants to go back to the past really badly, to a person in the past. He is not there, okay? Remember that. He's moved on. He's moved on. Something to do with the tub, TUB. Is it a tub of ice cream that you're having? If you're just listening to this, you've changed your tub at home, you're wanting to add a tub in your bathroom. Something like that I'm getting. I want to take out one last message for you guys from the unicorn cards. I feel one more message needs to be given. Let's see how December is going to be. Sum up December. Sum up December. I'm going to sum it up for some people with one card. Let's see, December. A lot of cards fell. I'm not going to take that. What are the messages? One summing up card for December for everybody or whoever needs this guidance. One sum up card. One card, one card. Queen of the Unicorns. You're going to feel like a queen. You're going to be blessed with love and compassion and wisdom. That's awesome. You're going to feel really good about yourself. I think you lost your confidence somewhere. got stronger. You got stronger in December, and December end, you're getting much more stronger. You were angry in a situation, but now you're dealing with a lot of compassion, with a lot of maturity, a lot of wisdom. Or some situation made you wise. That's another message. Okay, that's what I feel. I also got the seven number. Maybe that's why I wanted to take it out, because I also have been seeing 777. Maybe that's a message for everybody. So there's going to be love, compassion, and wisdom in the situation. I don't know why, but I get somebody feeling unloved. Maybe this was a message for you guys. You're going to be feeling loved. You were feeling unloved in the relationship. Recently, you were feeling unloved, though it started very well. So you were also wondering what happened you know, what happened right now to the person. So I get a lot of energy where the person is going hot and cold, going hot and cold, going hot and cold, standoffish behavior, sometimes very emotional, loving, sometimes really stepping back. So you're dealing with somebody like this and you do not know what to do with the person. I feel you will be loved back. For a lot of you, this is a message. I don't know if the person has financial issues, but I feel the person is going to love you back. Had some issues, maybe that's why I could not say much to you to settle the situation. That's what I get. So those were the messages for you guys. Thank you. Have a beautiful December. I'll be back with another kind of a reading, and then we'll do a January reading for all the signs, and or a love reading or any other angel number reading. And thank you so much for listening to my reading and coming to my channel. And do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also do leave a comment. I love listening to all the comments. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.